Hello and welcome to my channel, Jeff's Tech. I'm working very hard on getting videos out for you guys to help you in everyday lives to ease the stress of PC issues that you may be having, and also entertain you with other tech knowledge that I think you should know about. It is very difficult to stay up to date. In this video, I'm going to be discussing steps that you can take in Windows 10 to help solve those pesky audio problems that you may be experiencing. First, you're going to want to check that a device is selected by clicking on the speaker icon on the taskbar. Make sure that your audio device is selected, if it is there. If that does not work, you can check and make sure that all cables are plugged firmly in where they need to be. You can also right-click on the speaker and go to Sound Settings. Let's do that now. And here you can make sure your output, typically your speakers that are selected, and your input, which is going to be your microphone, is selected. If it is, make sure that the volumes are turned up, and you can also test both your speaker output and your mic output. You can also use the Windows troubleshooting if you want to do so. Below here at the bottom of the page is the advanced sound options. Click on that. You can see here that my devices are set to 100%. I need that for when I'm recording in-game or any sound during a recording. Next, I want to show you how to install an audio driver in case none of the troubleshooting steps worked previously. Type Device Manager in the search bar below. Let's do that now. Go down to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Click on the little caret right next to that. If you have any hardware that's installed, it'll be listed under this setting. If it is not, you can go to the site where the hardware was manufactured and install the latest driver. It is usually listed under the Support tab on one of their websites. If the hardware is installed, you can make sure the latest driver is installed by clicking on that device and hitting Update Driver. For example, here, under Focus USB Audio, I can right click and I can click Update Driver to make sure that driver is updated. There's one last step you can do if you're having any more audio issues, and that is by going to your search bar and typing in Services. You need to find 3 services: Windows Audio, Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, and Remote Procedure Call, commonly known as RPC. Let's find those services. Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder should be right next to each other. Start by right-clicking on Windows Audio, restarting Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, and restarting, and then going down to Remote Procedure Call. This one typically does not have an option to restart, so instead you can refresh this one. Oh, I almost forgot. For those with mic issues, you can right-click on the Start menu. Let's exit out here first. Go to Settings, Privacy, and click on the microphone option on the left. You can change the microphone access for this device, or you can turn the option to on so that other apps can use the microphone. If none of these steps work, you may have to refer to your manufacturer for more support. Otherwise, after you try all the troubleshooting steps, make sure you restart your computer. I hope this guide helps. As usual, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel by clicking on the icon down on the right bottom corner. I'll be releasing more videos soon. Take care and peace for now.